If you're trying to install Rebtel app from your Google Play Store but you are unable, then in this video I'm going to show you how to fix can't install Rebtel app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to ensure that you're not using or you're not connected to any VPN or any security app that you recently installed, as this might be the reason for this issue. However, if you have no issue with that, then go back to your phone and open Google Play Store and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you try to download the app. However, if you are unable even while logged in, then proceed and tap on your profile icon and scroll down to settings here. From settings, look for this option network preferences, and here we have quite a number of options. Go for this option under it called app download preference. As you can see, currently it is set to over Wi-Fi only. You want to change this from Wi-Fi only to over any network. This will ensure you can download apps via any current network you are connected to. Now tap on OK and turn on your data or Wi-Fi to download your apps. However, if you still can't, then most likely the problem is with Google Play Store app and we need to troubleshoot it. To do this, go to your phone and look for settings, and from settings scroll down to apps. Now under apps, go to manage apps for all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Play Store like that, and here it is. Tap on it to access its app info page. First, go to Force Stop app and confirm. Okay, this will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and clear cache and okay. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to Google Play Store, open it and I'll activate search, and now search for my app Rebtel. Now if I run my search, here we have our app. Now I'll proceed and tap on install. As you can see, I'm now able to download and install this app. Should you still face a challenge at this point, then check and see that you have enough space on your phone. If you don't, then delete unwanted or unused apps or files that you no longer need. So let me know if this was able. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.